Since 1947, one of the highlights of the Steveston Salmon Festival has been the famous Salmon Bake. Crowds gather as hundreds of fresh salmon are barbecued in open pit fires right in the heart of Steveston. In the festival's early years, the salmon was cooked by local First Nations bands. Today, various community group volunteers prepare wild sockeye salmon provided by Ken Fisco over a giant barbecue pit in front of the Steveston Martial Arts Center. We've reached out to several local chefs to share some of their favorite recipes so you can recreate some of the magic of Steveston Salmon Festival right from the comfort of your own home.
I'm Tristram Hayden. I'm the owner of Britannia Brewing here in Steveston. So Britannia is lucky to be situated right in the middle of Steveston Village here, which is a very historical place, with the fishing boats just on the dock across the road from us, bringing in all the fresh seafood daily. So at Britannia we prepare our wild sockeye salmon. We prepare it by brining the fish first. So we take the skin off, we brine the fish, and then dry it out, and then we bake it in the oven. Being a baked salmon, it pairs very well with our power bowl, which is a salad kind of dish we do here in Steveston. We also add it to our salmon burgers, plus we serve it with our main courses. Steveston's such a great place to be on Canada Day, great atmosphere, so hopefully we'll see everyone down here on that day.